Hey friends, welcome back to my new and another video. Hope you all fine. Today we have an excited product to review, Apple Cider Vinegar. Many people claim it has a numerous health benefits, so we decided to put it to the test. Let's dive right in. Viewers, apple cider vinegar or ACV is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It has for various purposes, including cooking, cleaning, and as a natural remedy for different health conditions. If we talk about my personal experience, I have been using apple cider vinegar for the past month and I must say I am impressed. One of the first things I noticed was the improvement in my digestion. I had been experiencing occasional bloating and indigestion, but after incorporating ACV into my daily routine, those issues significantly decrease. Viewers, speaking of digestion, apple cider vinegar is believed to promote a healthy gut. It contains a beneficial bacteria and enzymes that can support digestion and improve nutrient absorption. My dear friends, I have also read studies suggesting that ACV may help regulate blood sugar level, which is beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Viewers, another benefit often associated with apple cider vinegar is its potential for aiding weight loss. While it is not a magic solution, some studies have shown that ACV can help increase feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calories intake. I have found it helpful in curbing my craving and staying on track with my weight loss goals. Viewers, apple cider vinegar can also be used topically for skincare purposes. I have used it as a toner for diluting it with water and apply it my face. It helps balance the pH of my skin, minimize breakouts and improve the overall texture and clarity of my complexion. My beautiful viewers, although apple cider vinegar has numerous potential benefits, it's essential to use it responsibly. Undiluted ACV is highly acidic and can damage tooth, enamel, or irritate the throat. It's always recommended to dilute it with water or other beverage and avoid consuming it in excessive amounts. Viewers, you can get other related video from my channel, so visit my channel. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar has impressed me with its potential health benefit, from improved digestion to potential weight loss, spot and skincare benefit. It has proven to be a versatile and natural addition to my daily routine. However, it's crucial to use it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health condition. So my beautiful viewers, that's it for today's review of apple cider vinegar.
Yeah.
Allah Hafiz.